In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Acer laptop for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and head on over to acer.com. Now, once we're here, we want to go to the website's footer. So as you can see, I'm over in Acer's footer. Now, under support, we've got the option to register a product. So go ahead and click into that. Now, before we can register a product, we need to sign into our Acer ID, or we can continue with our social. So a Google account, Microsoft, Facebook, Twitter, or Apple. So for this demo, I want to go ahead and continue with my Google account. Now, if it's the first time signing in or signing up to Acer ID, you might need to go ahead and just fill this form out and then click I'm not a robot. You agree and read to the terms and then click sign up. Now here we go. So once you've done that, you're going to be taken to your user profile and you can see your profile stuff here. Now on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. Go ahead and click on the register a product tab. And now from here under register product, it's got serial number or SNID. Go ahead and put in that serial number there. Now if you're not sure how to find it, go ahead and click onto that little help article here. So you can go ahead and watch this video. I'm not going to play that because or get copyrighted for that. So yeah, you can play that video if you're not sure how to find it. Then basically from there, put in your purchase date, and then for usage, it's either home entertainment or business, and then click save. And then once you've done that, that's how to register your Acer laptop for warranty.